Hi, welcome to Granby Public Library's Makerspace. Today we're going to take a look at the Glowforge Pro Laser Engraver. We're going to take a look at what its functions are, how it works, how you can reserve time with it, and so you can make your ideas come to life. Let's go. The Glowforge Pro laser cutter is a really powerful and precise tool that uses a laser to cut, engrave, and score a wide variety of materials. Materials like that 1/8 inch basswood plywood that we're cutting right now for a patron's keychain. It can also cut things like hardwood, plywood, balsa, MDF, and draftwood. It can do acrylics, leathers, fabrics, cardboard, and even rubber. When it comes to engraving, it'll engrave those objects and glass, stone, ceramic tile, and even titanium. So what does the software look like that we use to make our great designs? Well, let's take a look together. The Glowforge Pro Laser Engraver allows you to select a variety of different styles of materials, such as acrylics, leathers, and different types of woods. In this example, we're going to choose a basswood plywood. Now you can upload a variety of assets to this document, including graphics. Now I've already downloaded a graphic from the internet, but you could of course upload your own personal designs as well. In this project, I think I'm going to make a cute little ornament for the holidays. So I've just selected a little shape right here. It's a circle, and this is going to be a cut. And I know this is going to be cut because when I look on the left side of the screen here, you can see I just highlighted cut. Meanwhile, the graphic says engrave. One of the other things I've just added is some text. I typed in the word Yukon. And then I'm going to use the font editor to change the typeface to something a little more aesthetically pleasing. I can even do a bunch of different effects like curve it. So I'm going to place that right below. Excellent. The next thing I'm going to do is just grab a few more shapes, and I'm going to show you how we can join shapes together to make more sophisticated shapes that we can use for cutting or for art. So here I am resizing this graphic or this cut, and I'm going to use the join tool in a few seconds to kind of merge them together. Let's take a look at that in action. I've just selected both objects and I click on join, and now you can see I have one shape. So the final part of this little project is I'm going to add another shape. This is going to be the little spot that we can thread in the string or the ornament hook, and once again we're going to use that join tool. So what you're seeing here is the ability to import graphics, use shapes, and create a more sophisticated design than we could in other pieces of software. And let's see if I have to place it nice in the center. And you might be saying, how can I center it even more? Well, it does give you some guidelines. But from here, I would click on that print button and send that to the Glowforge. So now that you have a basic overview of the machine, let's see what some of the things our patrons have been making. So anything that you have designed as far as your own art or artwork you found off the internet can be engraved, which is a lot of fun. We've been making custom designs as well, making custom bookmarks, and here's some garden stakes we did for a program a few months ago. We're also making some fun little dangly earrings. Speaking of things that are fun, looks like our job just finished, so let's take a look at this. Another finished product by the Glowforge. So now that you've seen the equipment, let's see how you can schedule some time to learn how to use the machine yourself. Let's take a look. The Granby Public Library website has a fantastic way for you to schedule for trainings, both group and individual. In order to do so, we're going to click the Library Calendar button. This displays all of the different programs and opportunities that you have to engage in with your public library, and some of those happen to be Makerspace group trainings. So for example, if you want to join this laser cutting demo training, you would simply click on it and then scroll down and register. Now, if you couldn't make these times that our regularly scheduled group trainings are, you could always go to equipment training and then select a specific piece of equipment you'd love to get trained on, and then scrolling down, select available time slots for the day. And for example, name, email, and a goal of reservation. And then you'll receive a pending email, which our Makerspace technician will evaluate to make sure that it aligns with their schedule and the equipment is available for training. So there you go. Can't wait to see you in. So we hope you liked this video. If you're curious about this or any other station, come join us at the Granby Makerspace.